Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into University of Kentucky student account, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your University of Kentucky's student account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address uky.edu and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of University of Kentucky. And on this interface, now to proceed to log into your student account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see here it says My UK. Just beside the resources, click on the button that says My UK and you land over here. Now in order to log into your account, you can see the login button available for us. Click on the login button over here, and when you land over here guys, you'll be required to enter the username or the email of your University of Kentucky account. For example, I'll be just going to my normal Gmail and not the university one, and after that enter your password, whichever may it be. And after entering your email address and your password guys, click in the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your University of Kentucky student account on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your University of Kentucky student account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.